As you might have seen in the tonneau install video, I had to use a cooler to get into the truck bed because it's a really long way up. Other manufacturers seem to have figured this out. For example, with the Raptor, Ford made it super simple to get into the truck bed by integrating a step into the tailgate. Let me show you how easy it is. Is that easy or what? I want to make it safer and easier to get into the bed, so I'm going to install the Mopar Ram 2500 Bed Step. Let me show you how I do it. The tools you're going to need are a 1/2 inch ratchet, a 1/2 inch standard socket set. If you don't have one in your socket set, a 24mm 1/2 inch socket, and a torque wrench. Here are the parts that you get in the kit from Mopar. You've got a step, some bolts, and a bracket. First of all, we're going to remove this bolt, and this bolt, and those bolts will not get reused. Now that you've got these bolts out the way, you're supposed to put the bracket in here, but you can't because this harness is in the way. So reach behind, push in the clips, and you can loosen the harness up so that you can get the bed step in. Put the bed step in and secure it with the 2 supplied 17mm bolts. Before you fully tighten these 2 bolts, while the bracket can still move, insert the support bracket and then put in the supplied bolt here and the supplied bolt in through the frame here. Now that we've got the bolts tightened up, we need to torque this one to 150 foot-pounds, this one and this one to 50 foot-pounds, and this one to 19 foot-pounds. Because I wasn't able to clip the electrical connector back in, I'm going to use a zip tie to secure the connector. Now I've got it installed, let's see how easy it is to use. It's not very easy to get your foot underneath to pull it out, or I'm not finding it easy anyway. Okay, that wasn't so bad. I like how the step fits the contours of the bumper, but I wonder how well it will fare if I come down on a ledge when I'm driving off-road. The install was pretty easy. I think anyone could do it with a set of hand tools. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time.